If you're watching this video, you've probably been experiencing significant pain for weeks, months, or even years. You're desperate to get out of pain and get back to the life you had before, and you're looking for a treatment option that will work for you. Spinal disc injuries are often the source of serious physical and neurological problems. These injuries can happen because of an accident, because of years of back problems like poor posture, or simply because you twisted awkwardly. The problem is that your spinal discs are sensitive, are surrounded by lots of delicate nerves, and once injured, they can be life-changing, stopping you from working, playing with your kids, or just doing simple things like tying your shoes, emptying the dishwasher, sitting in the garden, or taking a walk with a friend. Life can seem desperate, and we see this time after time in our patients. But we're experts in this field. We know that spinal disc pain is a complex problem and can be very difficult to diagnose and treat. Often patients with spinal disc injuries suffer far longer than necessary, going round in circles with treatments, only to find nothing has worked. We see patients who have lost hope, facing a lifetime on medication with terrible side effects, who often believe the only way forward is surgery with its associated risks, which is a drastic step to take and should be very carefully considered as the very last resort. Since 2010, we've pioneered a specialist service with the experience and expertise that offers you a safe, effective, non-surgical choice for treating your spinal disc injuries. When you come and see us, we will walk you through a screening process before starting any treatment whatsoever. We use a comprehensive physical and neurological examination and MRI to determine whether your issues are likely to be disc-related. Once we are sure that this is where your problem is, we have a tried and tested treatment process that's made specifically for your condition. We understand the process that has caused your spinal disc injury and use IDD therapy, advanced spinal decompression technology, to relieve pressure on the spinal discs, nerves and muscles to promote your body's natural healing mechanisms. We blend this with the most up-to-date rehabilitation techniques to get your spine working properly again. Our approach is incremental, it's gentle and careful, and it allows the body to recover in stages, naturally, without invasive surgery. We've helped hundreds of patients with painful spinal disc injuries get their lives back without surgery or spinal injections. You can rest assured that we are experts in diagnosing and treating complex disc injuries and painful nerve entrapments non-surgically. And with 90% of our patients reporting a good or excellent outcome and 95% satisfaction rates, we've been consistently transforming the lives of hundreds of patients who have given up hope of ever returning to an acceptable quality of life. So, if you're suffering debilitating pain and you think you may have a spinal disc injury, don't suffer unnecessarily. Call us now on the number below to book your IDD therapy assessment appointment to find out how we can help you. Or, if you would prefer to speak with someone before this, we can arrange for you to talk to one of our team. We look forward to seeing you soon.